In this series, Road to $100 Million, I'm gonna share some serious strategy with you, and I'm gonna show you my thought process on how I'm gonna get to $100 million within the next 3 years. Let's get right into it. As you may know, I have 3 different businesses as of right now. The first one is debt collections. Debt collections has an annual revenue as of last year of $15 million. So I've implemented some serious strategies and restructuring of the company, my management team, and all teams in reality in general. And with a strategy and a plan of attack to be able to get to $25 million just this year. Now, if I'm able to double that revenue by next year, that'll put me at $50 million of revenue. My solar company that I just launched, this is my first month in business. Today is March 3rd, 2023, and I launched my company February, the first week of February of 2023. In the month of February, we did $500,000 of revenue. Now, if I can get this company to doing $25 million my first year, and I double that my second year, I'm automatically gonna be at $100 million of annual revenue. That has to be your thought process behind it. If you have a business, I'll give you my real estate company as an example. Last year, we were just shy of $1 million. Now, if I can get that business to doing $3 million of revenue this year, and I plan to double that next year, that's gonna be a company doing $6 million annually by next year. If I can triple that number and push the envelope, I can have a $9 million annual business within 3 years. All you have to do is figure out the strategies, take your past and what you've done, and find a way to double the output so that you can double or triple the input. If you're in business for yourself, I hope this video has helped you to think outside the box and be more strategic with your plan of attack on how to double and triple your gross revenue. See you guys on the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.